People say human beings have a beat. When you sleep, you wake up is a rhythm. From day to night, they have a beat. In the summertime, you see they leave, nice green, and in the wintertime, they die. Snowing today, tomorrow, and summertime is hot. That's a rhythm. The life is a rhythm. I didn't really go far in school. It was always in my mind, I want to do something that people can see. So for me, maybe through the dance and the drum, I can express my message to people. Today in Africa, people think we are the worst in this world. When you say Africa, oh, these people will always fight. These people, they are always poor. Or these people, that doesn't have any riches. So I think dancing, drumming, showing to them that you guys say is not really true. We showing like no matter what you guys say, we are artists, and they accept us. Dance, drumming way, they accept us. So I think dance, drum defend me as an African man. Without my drumming and dancing, it would not be easy for me to defend myself. It's a part of my life. So if I stop, meaning I don't want to work anymore, okay? It was my goal that I want to do something people can see.